Hello kids, today we learn about subtraction question. Are you ready kids? Let's get started. What is this number? 5. Make 5 lines here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this number? 4. Cut 4 from these lines. One, 2, 3, 4. What we will get? 1. Write 1 here. What is this number? 9. Make 9 lines here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is this number? 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cut 8 from these lines. What we will get? 1.